MDA government keeps denying that illegal activities are taking place. So,
okay, can I tell you one thing? Are you trying to say that it is the MDA government who encouraging theft activities? Are you trying to say are you trying to say that? Are the MDA government trying to inspire those illegal people who commit these illegal activities? We are not at all. We are against it, as I said to you. Be it mining activities, be it transporting activities, be it anything, smuggling activities, and anything which is illegal, I'm telling you, we are deadly against it. That is our point very clearly I would like to make.